Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to be making a beautiful mirrored lighted Christmas tree ornament. This can be used as a centerpiece or as part of your holiday home decor. I'll be using this round vase that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, a mirror. I'll be using a tapered candlestick holder, my Spectra glitter, as well as the silver glitter. I'm going to be using some nail gems today. So I'm going to get started. In a small bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of the clear tacky gel with a little bit of water. I'm going to thin it out a little bit, and then I'm going to apply it to our vase. I'm going to coat the vase nice and evenly. I'm going to alternate the Spectra glitter and the silver glitter. I'm going to sprinkle it on. I'm going to keep my application very thin. After I finish adding the glitter, I'm going to set that to the side and allow it to dry for about 2 hours. I'm going to set that to the side and allow it to dry for a couple of hours. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of my permanent adhesive to the top edge of the tapered candlestick holder. I'm going to apply it to the underside of the mirror. I'm going to center it, then I'm going to set it off to the side and allow it to dry for 24 hours. These are the nail gems that I'm going to be using today. I picked these up from Amazon. I'm also going to be using this gem picker that's used by nail technicians. They use this to apply crystals to your nails. So this plastic ring that I'm going to use, I got that from an empty tape roll. So I'm going to use that today, as well as the silver embossed contact paper. Right now I'm creating the ornament cap. I'm going to use this glittered pipe cleaner. I'm going to cut it about 4 inches long. I'm going to create the top hanger for the ornament cap. Now with a little hot glue, I'm going to adhere this to the top of the vase. I'm going to add this beautiful snowflake brooch that I picked up from Amazon a few years ago. I'm going to add that to the center of the vase. So now I'm going to take these gemstones that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the gold stars just to add a little bit more gold detail to the ornament. I'm also going to be using that large gold star in the center. Now I'm going to add these rhinestone buttons to the top of the ornament cap. These are absolutely beautiful. I picked those up from Amazon. So guys, look how beautiful this looks. This is our beautiful holiday home decor. So now I'm going to show you what kind of lights I'm going to use inside. I'll be using these fairy lights. I picked these up a few years ago from QVC, and I'm just going to simply insert these inside the vase. And finally, to prevent this beautiful ornament from sliding off the mirror, I'm simply going to add a little bit of hot glue around the edge of the vase. And that's it. Look how beautiful this came out. This is absolutely stunning. And this looks absolutely beautiful lit in red. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.